Hey y'all, it's Tali and welcome to today's video. As you can tell by the title of this video, we are doing a packing video. But this isn't just any normal packing video, it will be a packing video full of tips and tricks and using all Stoney Clover Lane items. This video has been highly requested. I have been waiting for the right time to do it, and I thought this week would be perfect because this weekend I am going to my senior prom and we are heading out, so I need to pack all my crap and get away. So in this video, I will be sharing with you guys some packing tips, some packing tricks, how I pack, what I do when I pack, the stuff I use when I pack, the pouches I use, the bags I use, the suitcase, everything, all the Stoney Clover Lane shebang. And if you haven't already, make sure to watch last week's video where I do a full Stoney Clover Lane X Target haul. I will link it here somewhere on the screen. A lot of those products in that video you'll be seeing in this video as well. I also want to say, although that giveaway in that video is over, I just want to say thank you to everyone who entered and thank you for all of the support recently and love on my channel. And thank you for 200 subscribers. I am crazed, amazed. I love you guys so much, and let's move on to the next goal. If you're new here, hi, my name is Tali Ruta and welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for our new goal of 300 subscribers. And if you haven't already, make sure to follow me on all social medias here on the screen, down in the description below. Let's get into this Pack With Me Stoney Clover Lane edition. Now, the packing list I usually make are actually very different to your normal packing list. Most people list out that they need tops, bottoms, and stuff like that. But what I found it's easier to do is write every single outfit you need. So like here I have my car outfit, my getting ready outfit, and then I know I need that day, I need my dress and then PJs in the night, and then I need, like, when you go to the beach, I need my beach cover up, my swimsuit, and my afterclothes. So kind of stuff like that. And I actually found it's way easier to pack that way because you know exactly what you're bringing, and then you just add more to your essentials. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So here on the floor, I have all my outfits laid out in day of order. And so I feel like that just makes it so much easier to pack. So when I see that I have this outfit, so this is the outfit I'm wearing there, and then I have like the pajamas for that day. This is of course prom day. I have the stuff I need already there. That's an outfit right there. That's another outfit right there. That's another outfit. That's another outfit. And then while I do this, I add the essentials I need. So each outfit already in here has like a pair of underwear, a bra, you know, socks and stuff like that. And then once I start packing, I can just add like a couple pairs of socks, a couple pairs of underwear, undergarments, you know, and I just have it all nicely already picked out. So I've been doing that recently since I've been packing more, and I love it. I also think this tip/trick also really helps with people who overpack. I used to overpack. I used to pack just so many random things and just throw them in my suitcase. But now that I actually pick out every single outfit, it actually helps me condense kind of what I need. So like I know for sure I need an outfit this day, this day, this day, and that's it. And I really, really like this packing method. Now that we have all of our outfits picked out, it is time to pack them, and I'm going to be using my Stoney Clover Lane X Target suitcase and my Stoney Clover Lane X Target packing cubes. So here are the packing cubes. Of course, I got the one that has the pink in it, but it is a set of 3. There's one small, one medium, and one large, and I'm going to open this up and I'm going to pack all the clothes I just showed you into these cubes. So here are my packing cubes out of the box, and that now moves me on to my next packing tip, which are packing cubes. I totally suggest packing cubes, whether it's 3 cubes, 6 cubes, 7 cubes, 8 cubes, even 10 cubes. I suggest packing cubes. They literally are a game changer when it comes to packing. It is the best thing for organization. My favorite part about packing cubes is that you can just pack your clothes in here, and then whenever you get to the hotel or wherever you're going, you can just pull the cube out and everything's organized, and you can just use it by those cubes. Like what I do is I pack my cubes, and if some of it's I just hang it, and then I put my packing cube back in my suitcase, and everything's all organized. So I'm going to show you guys how I put my outfits in here. Another tip I want to give is instead of folding your clothes flat like this, the way I do it is I actually roll my clothes. Rolling them actually saves more space in my packing cube. So what I do is I just fold the clothes kind of like so, just like to get it in that roll shape, I guess. And then I just roll it like so. This saves a lot of space in my packing cube and in my suitcase in general. Alright, so now I'm moving on to my small pouch in my packing cubes. Usually I use the small pouch for all my intimates, so I use it for my pajamas. I usually always bring like an extra crew neck. I always bring extra socks because you never know if it's cold or not there, depending on where you're going. And also, since I'm going to the beach, I am bringing some swimsuits. So I also like to put that in that pouch. And again, this makes me go back to that tip I shared earlier about bringing your outfits. I was able, since I had each outfit already laid out and I had each undergarment I needed, now I just added a couple extras just so now, for the sake of my brain, I know that I have what I need and extra just in case if anything happens. Here is my small packing cube all packed up. It is pretty packed, as you can tell. And now we are going to move on to the medium size. Now, to be honest, sometimes this size is a hit or miss for me. It depends on where I'm going or what I'm doing. But for this trip, I'm going to use my medium pouch for my shoes. So I'm going to package my shoes in here, but because I am about clothes and shoes touching, I'm going to put my shoes in trash bags. And as of right now, you guys know I have a whole bunch of Target bags. So let's put them to good use. Alright, so now that my shoes are in its own place and not touching anything else, this packing cube still has a lot of room, and what I want to use it for is like my prom day packing cube. So I want to put my pajamas in there, my getting ready clothes, just other things I need for prom, like my purse, my gloves, which I don't know if I'm using yet, and yeah. Alright, so here are the 3 cubes. Again, I just want to give you guys a visual, and I think they are, again, life changer, game changer, packing changer, and perfect for traveling and organization. Next, I'm going to pack my Stoney Clover Lane beach tote because we are going to the beach, and I'm super excited to use this. I actually bought this off a resale site, so I have not been able to use it this year, but I think it is going to look so cute, and I'm so excited to use it, and it is perfect for summer. Also, keeping with the Stoney Clover Lane theme, I'm going to pack my Stoney Clover Lane X Target beach towel in here, which again, if you have not seen that video, I will link it here somewhere on the screen, and then I'm just going to put my packing cube on top. Guys, my suitcase doesn't close. Oh my gosh. All right, we got it, guys. Also, definitely another packing tip I would recommend is get a suitcase with an extender. This literally saved my booty. I only had to remove 2 things, and it made a huge difference. So now for the part everyone probably has been waiting for, the pouches. This is just an overview of some of the pouches I'm gonna use. What I'm gonna do is I am going to show you guys each pouch and show you what I put in them when I travel. Now keep in mind, for this trip I am not going on a plane, so I am going to be packing full-size items in here, but usually if I was on a plane, I would be using travel-sized items. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to pack is my makeup. Now, fun fact, if you follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, you totally should, I'll put it here on the screen, and it's also linked in the description below, but I have been out of AC in my room for about almost 2 weeks. So I actually had been using all of my Stoney Clover Lane pouches to house all my makeup and like toiletries and stuff like that. But anyways, so all my makeup is in here currently, but for the trip, I'm going to move it into this beauty right here. So I use this every time I travel. This is a leather mirror open top case from Stoney Clover Lane. This is the perfect travel essential for your makeup. The reason why I like to store my makeup in here is because it has the mirror. So when I do my makeup, obviously I have a mirror. It also is leather, so if makeup gets on it, it's easy to clean. And it's just the perfect size, and it's really also compact. Another little trick I want to give is inside of my open top, I actually use one of the Stoney Clover Lane iridescent bags that the pouches come in to house all my makeup so that the inside of the case actually doesn't get dirty. And another thing that I keep in my open top, which you guys will see when I pack it, is I also keep a pencil case in here. Now, a pencil case is supposed to be used for pencils, but I actually use it for my makeup brushes, and it's the perfect size, and it's super easy because usually I put my makeup and then I put my brushes on top and then I just zip it all up. Now onto the next pouch I'm going to pack is my small pouch. The small pouch is perfect for all of your toiletries. So I like to put like my toothbrush, my toothpaste, you know, hair ties, comb, all the little good stuff in here, and it is just the perfect size. Also, if you know, you know, you guys know I love this bow pattern from Love Shack Fancy. This is one of my favorite Stoney Clover Lane pieces as well. Now next is a large pouch. Now I actually, sometimes when I travel, I actually like to use the large pouches as packing cubes, but for this trip, because again, I'm not flying on this trip, it is a road trip, I'm going to use this for all of my other essentials, so like my face wash, my moisturizer, hairspray, just like bigger items that won't fit in the small pouch. So usually I wouldn't bring like these huge full-size bulky bottles, but again, since we're not flying, they're gonna be right next to me. A tip I wanted to give is that usually for some of my liquid items, like bigger items like this, I always like to put them in a little Ziploc bag just in case anything happens. Now the next pouch I'm using is a clear flat pouch. I use these for cords, so these are for like my chargers, my battery charger, for my camera, my computer charger, all that. So all those cords go in this pouch. I like this pouch for my cord specifically because it holds more, because I have my camera and most times I do bring my laptops on trips. I would also suggest a small pouch, but for me, not all of my stuff fit, and I like this one because it's nice and it keeps everything flat. So now it depends on what type of bag you're using. Because of this trip, I'm not really going anywhere fancy besides prom, and I already have my own bag for prom. I'm going to bring my fanny pack as my purse. So like I said, it depends on what type of purse you're using, but in every purse I use, I do use the mini pouch. Mini pouch is perfect. This is the #1 product I recommend if you do not have any Stoney Clover Lane product, is a mini pouch. It holds all of your essentials. Like I put my wallet in here, chapstick, hand sanitizer, hair tie, lip balm, all that good stuff. It fits in this little pouch here. So even if I wasn't to use the fanny, I still would have this type of bag in my normal purse. And I do not only use this for travel, I use this pretty much every time I go out. Now, the great mystery is, where am I going to put all my pouches since I have no more room in my suitcase? Well, good thing you asked. And now you probably guessed it, but all of the pouches I use do not fit in my suitcase actually go here in my duffel. Now, every time I travel, like on a plane, I always do a carry-on suitcase, and then I do a duffel as my carry-on. The reason why I like to use a duffel as my carry-on is because all of my like more delicate items, like my toiletries and like my makeup and like my money and stuff, are all here right next to me, and I keep it with me at all times. I also usually at the airports, they usually make you take out your liquids anyway, so I have to pull that out anyways. But not in this case because again, I'm not flying. But every time I go on like a road trip or I go over to my friend's house, I always use my Stoney Clover Lane duffel. I just want to give you guys a closer view, but I love how everything fits in the duffel. So usually when I'm wearing this, and then whenever, like if I'm at the airport and they say I can't wear this, I just stick it in here and it fits perfectly. And then the part I really want to show you guys is, again, see how I like how this one is flat, so it doesn't take as much room, but is the bottom. So usually I can fit, if I had another large pouch, I could fit 2 large pouches and then these on top, but I like how everything is so structured and it makes the bottom like just have this really nice base, and like everything fits perfectly. So like here's my makeup, my toiletries, my other toiletries, I have my chargers, like all of my essentials fit in this duffel bag, and I just love the duffels so much. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions or need any links, let me know down in the comment section below and I will get back to you. I hope this video guys gave you some good packing tips, some good travel tips, and I hope you guys can see why I love this brand so much. The amazing thing about this brand is that not only you can use it for when you travel, but you can also use it at home. So I use it for both every day, even in my life. It's like with my purse and stuff. And it keeps you organized and it keeps you cute. Who doesn't want to be cute and organized at the same time? If you haven't already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe because we are so close to 300 subscribers. If you haven't already, make sure to follow me on all social medias here on the screen, down in the description below. I love you all so much, and I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, amazing, gorgeous, fantastic, fabulous day.